Before you dive into buying real estate property management software, there are a few key things you need to know to make an informed decision. We'll be covering 12 essential points that will help you avoid the pitfalls and ensure you're getting the most out of your investment. Unlike some other platforms that promise everything but deliver little, Properly stands out by offering features that are truly useful for property managers. Let's get into it. First thing, Properly's user interface is clean and intuitive, which means you can jump right in without spending hours on training. While some competitors require complicated setups and steep learning curves, Properly keeps things simple and easy to navigate. Next thing, Properly offers a robust system for scheduling and automating tasks, which is a huge time saver. You can schedule cleaning services, maintenance, and inspections directly through the platform. Many other property management tools lack this level of automation, forcing you to manage tasks manually, which is both tedious and error-prone. The third thing you need to know is how well Properly integrates with third-party tools. Whether you're using accounting software, booking platforms, or other property management tools, Properly connects seamlessly, making your workflow smooth and efficient. Other solutions may not offer this level of integration, leaving you stuck with disjointed systems. Moving on to the fourth point, Properly's support for multiple property types is impressive. From single-family homes to multi-unit buildings and even vacation rentals, Properly can handle various property types without issue. Many competitors specialize in one niche, so if you manage a diverse portfolio, Properly gives you the flexibility you need. The fifth thing is how customizable the platform is. Whether you're dealing with unique tenant needs or property-specific requirements, Properly allows you to tweak workflows, notifications, and even pricing. This level of customization is something competitors often overlook, forcing you into rigid processes. Next, Properly offers a clear pricing model with no hidden fees. Unlike some competitors that lure you in with low entry prices but increase costs over time, Properly is transparent about what you're paying for, ensuring no surprises down the line. The seventh thing is how Properly makes communication effortless. With built-in messaging, notifications, and alerts, you can easily stay connected with tenants, contractors, and team members. While some alternatives leave you juggling emails and phone calls, Properly consolidates all communication in one place. The eighth point is reporting. Properly gives you real-time insights into your property's performance with customizable reports. Whether you need financial data, occupancy rates, or maintenance updates, Properly's reporting tools are far superior to some competitors that rely on outdated or cumbersome reporting systems. The ninth thing to consider is Properly's mobile app. The mobile experience is seamless and allows you to manage your properties on the go. Competitors often fail to match this level of mobile convenience with clunky apps or no mobile functionality at all. The 10th thing is the level of customer support Properly provides. With a dedicated support team and a helpful knowledge base, you're never left stranded. Many alternatives have limited support options or slow response times, which can be frustrating when you need help quickly. The 11th thing is Properly's scalability. Whether you're managing a handful of properties or hundreds, Properly grows with you. Some competitors struggle to scale efficiently, forcing you to switch platforms as your business grows. Finally, the 12th thing to keep in mind is the user feedback. Properly has a solid reputation for meeting the needs of property managers, with many users praising its ease of use and comprehensive features. Other software may have mixed reviews, with users highlighting issues such as poor customer service or complicated features. Properly is a solid choice for managing your properties, offering a range of features that streamline your operations. However, if you're looking for something even better, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.